we are looking at question 5, still on the exercise questions. If you have missed question 1, 2, 3, please watch the video on these trigonometric equations involving multiple angles. So we have question 4 and 5, okay? And look at what we have in question 4. Question 4, we have 5 theta here, we have theta here. So objective number 1 is to turn the equation to the same angle. Okay? We have theta here, 5 theta here, 2 theta here. So we want to turn all the angles to be the same. Okay? That's number 1. And 2. Okay? So let's see how we can do that. We are going to start from the left hand side. Cos theta plus cos 5 theta equal to cos 2 theta. So we've explained this before. When you have additions of cosine, it's going to be 2. It's going to be product of cosine 2 cos. 2 cos half into brackets theta plus 5 theta, that's 6 theta, then cos theta minus 5 theta half, that's minus 4 theta, equal to what? Cos 2 theta. So, and this will give me, this will give us 2 cos half of 6 theta, that's 2 theta, and this one half of 4 is 2, but cosine of negative function is the same as positive functions. Now we go to cos 2 theta, and then we can move this one to the left hand side, then minus cos 2 theta equal to 0. Okay, you can see that gradually you can see 2 theta here, 2 theta here, so everything is turning to 2 theta. So we can factorize this now. We can factorize that will cos 2 theta can be taken outside, and that will be 2 cos 3 theta minus 1 equal to 0. So, and I think that we are done. So we just have now cos 2 theta is equal to 0, or 2 cos 3 theta minus 1 is 0. So then we can solve this, which is equal to 2 cos 3 theta. This minus 1 can move to the other side, and that will be 1. Then cos 3 theta will be equal to what? Half. Okay? Then we can get the general solution. This one will be equal to what? 2 theta equal to 360 n plus or minus and cosine 0. 90. We have 90 degrees here. We have 360 here. N plus or minus 2 theta. Then you can divide by 2, and we have theta equal to what? 180 n plus or minus 45 degree. That's the general solution. Then the other one also we can have here 3 theta equal to 360 n plus or minus inverse of cosine half. I think that should be 1 cos. That's 60. That's 60. So theta equal to plus or minus 60. Then you can divide through by 3. So we have this one 120 n plus or minus 20. So these are the general solutions for this question. That's 120. 260 over 3. That's 120. Then we can now get the range of values. Okay, we've gotten here 45, the single solution. There are still other values. Here we've gotten 1 here. It's a single solution, that's 20. There are still others. Okay, so here when n is 0, we have a 45 degree. N is 1. N is 1, that would be 180 minus 45. That's 135. N is 1 again, 180 plus 45, 225. I'm doing both negative and positive together. Okay? N is 2, that's 360, minus 45, that's 315. And it's 2 also. 360 plus 45 is out of range. So we stop there. Let's come back here. N is 0 here. We have 20. Theta will be equal to 20. Yep, 20. Theta is 20. N is 1. We have 120 minus 20. That's 100. Or 120 plus 20. That's 140. N is 2. That's 240. 240 minus 20. That's 220. Or 220 plus 240 plus 20. That's 260. N is 3. We have 360 minus 20. That's 340. And N is 3. Or 360 plus 20, which is out of range. So these are the list of values we have. So we can combine them together if you want to. So the solutions are what? The solutions are, which one is the least value? We have 20. We have 45. We have 20, we have 45. We have 100. We have 135. We have 140. We have 220. We have 225. We have 260. We have 315. And we have 340. So these are the list of values for that for this question. So that's that on that question. So that will take us to the next question. The next question, we have question 5, which is sine x plus sine 3x equal to sine 2x plus sine 5x. So let's do the addition formulae first. Let's combine this one together, which will be equal to 2 sine half into bracket this angle plus this angle. That's 4x. Then cos half into bracket this one minus this one. That's minus 2x equal to. Let's do likewise for the right hand side, which is also be equal to half. The left hand side is equal to this will be 2 sine 2x. And then this will be equal to what? This will cancel. Half times 2. That's 1. That's minus x. And cosine of negative is positive. So that's cos what? Cos x. So I'm done with the left hand side. The right hand side will be equal to, for the right hand side will be equal to 2 sine half into bracket 2x plus 4x. That's 6x. And then cos half into bracket 2x minus 4x. That's minus 2x. So for the right hand side, we have 2 sine half of 6, 3x. Half of 2, that's that cos x. Cosine of negative is positive. So we have achieved that, okay? And that will be equal to the left hand side, which is 2 sine 2x cos x equal to 2 sine 3x cos x. Okay? So we can bring them to one side together. 2 sine 2x cos x minus 2 sine 3x cos x equal to 0. I move this on to the left hand side. Then what is common now? Cos is here, cos is here. 2 is here, 2 is here. So we can take 2 cos x outside, and then we have sine 2x. So with this now, this will be 2 cos x equal to 0, or sine 2x minus sine 3x equal to 0. So we can still solve this one further using the addition formulae. So when you have subtractions of sine, and that will be reverse of this. Instead of sine coming forward, cos will start the equation. That will be equal to 2 cos half into bracket this one plus this one. That's 5x. And then followed by sine half into brackets 2x minus this one. That's minus. Let's copy it here. 2 cos half 5x sine f minus x equal to 0. So with this one now, this minus here can come here, and that's minus 2 cos. This will be 5 over 2, 5 over 2x, and then sine f equal to 0. So this implies we can divide both sides by minus 2. So we have cos 5 over 2x equal to 0, and also or sine f x equal to 0, because these are products of sine and cos. And don't forget, we have already cancelled this by dividing both sides by minus 2. So we have three solutions now. We have we have this one, 2 cos x equal to 0, which will be equal to cos x equal to 0. So these are the three solutions we have. Don't forget this one here. Yeah. So these are the three solutions we have. So we can get the general solution. So the general solution for this one will be equal to x equal to, for this one, x equal to 360 n plus or minus a cosine of 0. That's a cosine of 0. Okay, so and that will be equal to x equal to 360 n plus or minus. I think that's 90. Yeah, that's 90. So we can, that's that on this one. So let's get the solution. So you only have a solution here, one solution here, but that's not enough. So we have a range of 0 to 360. So when n is 0, we have 90 degree. When n is 1, we have 360 minus 90, that's 270. Okay, or 360 plus 90, which will be outside the range. Okay, so I think that's all we can get for this particular equation. So let's pick the other equations. Cos 5 over 2x equal to 0. So let's solve this. Let's get the general equation for this one. Yeah, the general equation for this one will be equal to 5 over 2 x equal to 360 n plus or minus I think 90 also. That's 90 also at cosine 0. That's 90 degree. So we can multiply through by 2. So we have 5x equal to 720 n times 2 plus or minus times 2 also. That's 180 degree. We can also divide by x. So that will be equal to x equal to 720 over 5. 720 over 5, that's 144. N plus or minus 180 over 5. 180 divided by 5, that's 336 degree. So this is another solution, another general solution. So we can get the list of solutions from this. So when n is equal to 0, we're going to have n equal to 0, we're going to have 36 plus or minus 36. Well, the negative will be knocked out because it starts from 0 to 360. Okay, 36. When n is 1, we have 144 minus 36 for the negative 1. That's a 108. Out of the plus, 144 plus 36, that's a 180. Out of when n equal to 2, so 144 times 2 minus 36, that's 252 degree. Out of the plus, 144 times 2 plus 36, that's 324 degree. Okay, so if n is 3, let's check that. If n is 3, what will be the value? So it will be outside the range. It will be outside the range. So that's that. And the last one we have now is this arcsine x equal to 0. Okay, so the general equation for this one will be equal to f x equal to 180 n plus minus 1 for n. Then we need to get the angle, the theta. This will be arcsine 0. Arcsine 0. And arcsine 0 is 0. Is 0. So this one will we cancel out. So we just have half x equal to 180 n, and then x will be equal to what? Times 2, 360 n. So that's the general solution for this particular expression. So that's that. So in this case now, if n is 0, if n is 0 here, yeah, we have x is equal to what? 0. If n is 1, we have 360. So these are the two solutions we can derive from this expression. So we can combine all these solutions together. So and that will start from the solutions are let's start with 0, the smallest value, 0, followed by 36, next value, followed by 90, followed by 108. I've done this. After 108, followed by 180. After 180, 252. After 252, 270. After 270, we can have 324 and 360. So these are the range of value, or these are the list of solutions for this question. Okay, and that's the end of that.